kaiju of, feminism, right? There's only one other person, one male on planet Earth that is as big a kaiju as,
Dude, what are you doing?
Hillary on one side, Trump on the other side. Trump is the
approaching a railroad crossing. Current loop video is now locked.
What are you doing?
High-speed chase. Three of them. High-speed chase. Three of them. Wow, we just saw
In real life.
Here comes another one. How many cops do you need on it? There's one guy on a motor.
structure of your
A
contract?
lot of questions. Let's start from the beginning.
Sure.
First of all, during the war, everybody has problems. Even you, but you have nice ocean and don't feel now, but you will feel it in the future. God bless.
You don't know that.
God bless.
You
God
don't know
bless.
that.
You will
Don't-
not
you
have
gotta-
war.
Don't tell us what we're gonna.
Or appeallaw.com.
KFI, Los Angeles, broadcasting with 50,000 watts of power, 643 seconds. You didn't have a radio to listen to KFI. KFI is on the iHeartRadio app that brings you digital sound. If you haven't heard KFI on the free iHeartRadio app, you haven't heard KFI.
Yeah, you're almost.
Buddy.
Should we stop?
No.
Or is he okay? We gotta pull over. Make sure everything's okay. I don't think it.
No, you're going the wrong way! That way! I saw that happening. I'm like, why are they going slow?
Why is this a thing?
I don't know. That's crazy. Did you? Oh, it's recording in the back.
What this guy's doing?
So I don't know if you're new to this or you're just actually retarded, right? But you stopped when you were supposed to go, and then when the light turned green, you almost hit my. You probably don't own this car. You probably rent it, so that's why you don't care.
But the light is red.
But the light was green for you, and then when it turned green for me, you went. That's why everybody was honking at you.
You don't.
So you need to pay attention.
I'm
alright?
paying attention.
You're not paying attention. You need to pay attention. That's why everybody was honking at you.
The
You
fight-
caused everybody to stay back in
Something's
traffic.
wrong with this guy?
You caused everybody to stay back in traffic, and you literally almost hit my shit. So you need to pay attention. You're a TLC off.
Yes, you're a TLC, but you trying to brake check me.
So please pay attention.
But
right?
you have to pay attention, bro. I don't know what's wrong.
That's crazy.
And then he brake checked.
Wow.
I don't know what's wrong with him. He's supposed to be professional.
Can I help you? Yeah, can I help you? You cut me off, you old f***. Don't get a... You need to get off the road. You need to get off the road, you fat f***. Go have a heart attack with your handicap sign. The f*** are you on the road for? What are you, 100 years old? Learn how to drive.
So he doesn't take no for an answer, and he places a phone call. I am assuming that this person did not say it was a phone call to DC, but said it was likely a phone call to someone political.
I went back to congratulate him. Broadway, very excited. And he
Are you stupid?
worried.
Jesus.